One of my favorite poses, legs up the wall. So all you need is a wall. You can also do this on your bed, but if you are on the floor, we're going to come up right next to the wall. So we want to get our hips fairly close to the wall. They don't need to be all the way up to the wall. It really depends on your hamstrings. So your hips can be maybe 6 inches away from the wall, but you can play around with it and see what feels good to you. So then we're going to lie down on our back. And we're just going to swing the legs up the wall and scoot yourself into a position that feels good. So the legs are up the wall, the arms are down by your side, and you're just going to completely relax here. So the closer you are to the wall is the more of a hamstring stretch you'll get, and the further away is the less you'll be stretching your hamstrings. So we're going to stay here for about 5 minutes. So let's just completely relax here. This is a great pose to help your whole body relax. It helps to just take the pressure off of your feet and your legs. So let's close our eyes and allow our feet and our legs to be heavy. And release towards the floor. Let's allow our hips to be heavy and melt into the floor. Allowing all the muscles in the back to relax. Allowing the shoulders to relax and be heavy. So have the shoulders be down away from the ears. Let the chin be slightly into the chest so the back of the neck is relaxed. The arms, the elbows, the wrists, the fingers are relaxed completely. All the muscles in your face are relaxing. The eyes, the nose, the cheeks, the jaws, the lips, the tongue. Your whole body is just completely letting go, surrendering, releasing, melting into the floor. Nothing else to do right now. Just allow yourself to enjoy this time of complete relaxation.